Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my Smytten trial haul where I got 5 amazing products using trial points and a free lipstick sampler that includes 16 beautiful shades. So let's check out everything one by one. First, we have the Smytten Gel Eye Mask in pink. This cute pink mask is reusable and soothing. Great for relaxing tired eyes after a long day. I got it for 4 trial points. It feels super soft and soothing. Just chill it in the fridge for a few minutes and place it on your eyes for instant relaxation. Perfect for tired or puffy eyes. Next is the Million Colors Wing Master Eyeliner in grey. This is such a unique color. If you're bored of regular black, this grey eyeliner gives a fresh twist to your eye look. It cost me 2 trial points. Then comes the OG Beauty Nail Paint Remover, a super handy product that works really well. It removes polish quickly without drying out the nails. Got this too for 2 trial points. I'm showing you how it works by removing my nail polish, and as you can see, it's removing the color quickly and gently. It's working really well and feels super easy to use. Definitely a great pick for nail care. Now we have the Nivea Soft Daily UV Light Moisturizing Cream. Perfect travel size moisturizer. It's light, non-greasy and keeps the skin hydrated. And guess what? I got this one for free, 0 trial points. And finally, the star of this haul, Just Herb's Herb Enriched Lipstick Sampler. This was the free gift and it includes 16 beautiful lipstick shades in mini capsules. To make it easier for you to see, I have swatched all 16 shades one by one on an A4 sheet. So stay tuned till the end to see all the colors clearly. that's it for today's haul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such budget-friendly beauty finds. Tell me in the comments which lipstick shade you like the most. Thank you.